Welcome, builders and speed enthusiasts. Have you ever dreamt of crafting your own sleek racing machine, piece by intricate piece, right from the ground up? Today, we're diving into an incredibly engaging experience that combines the thrill of racing with the satisfying art of construction. Get ready to ignite your passion for precision and speed with our spectacular green racing building block set. This isn't just a toy, it's an adventure waiting to unfold, culminating in a breathtaking model that you'll be proud to display. Let's talk about what makes this set truly special, starting with its sheer scale. This magnificent creation comes packed with an impressive 1,690 individual pieces. That's right, almost 1,700 blocks designed to interlock perfectly, creating a complex and highly detailed model. This isn't a quick afternoon build. It's a rewarding journey that offers hours upon hours of focused engagement and enjoyment. Every single piece contributes to the final masterpiece, challenging your mind and honing your building skills. The vibrant green racing theme immediately captures attention. Imagine a sleek, aerodynamic design rendered in a striking shade of green that perfectly embodies speed, energy, and a touch of modern class. This isn't just any race car, it's a statement piece meticulously designed to replicate the dynamic lines and aggressive stance of a true racing champion. From its low-slung chassis to its intricate engine detailing, every element screams performance and precision. Quality is paramount, and that's why this set is crafted from high-grade ABS materials. ABS plastic is renowned for its durability, ensuring that your model is not only sturdy during assembly, but also robust enough to stand the test of time once completed. These blocks offer a consistently tight, secure fit, making the building process smooth and ensuring the finished structure is stable and resilient. Plus, the vibrant green color is molded into the ABS itself, meaning it won't fade or chip, preserving the stunning look of your racing marvel for years to come. But what are the real benefits of embarking on such a detailed manual toy building block assembly? Beyond the pure joy of creation, this set offers incredible cognitive advantages. It's a fantastic way to enhance fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and spatial reasoning. As you navigate the instructions and connect each piece, you'll find your problem-solving abilities sharpen, and your patience and focus will be wonderfully tested and rewarded. There's a profound sense of accomplishment that comes from seeing nearly 2,000 individual components transform into a recognizable, impressive object right before your eyes. This green racing building block model transcends its identity as just a toy. Once completed, it transforms into a stunning piece of home furnishing. Picture it gracing your living room shelf, adding a dynamic splash of color and an intriguing focal point that sparks conversation. It's more than just a decoration, it's a testament to your dedication and skill. And it's not just for the home. This exquisite model also makes for an exceptional office desktop furnishing. Imagine it sitting proudly on your desk, a constant reminder of achievement and a fantastic conversation starter with colleagues and clients alike. It injects personality into any workspace, showcasing a passion for engineering and design. The journey of building this racer is an experience in itself. Unpack the carefully sorted pieces, follow the detailed, easy-to-understand instructions, and watch as your vision takes shape. Whether you tackle it solo for a meditative escape or invite family and friends to join in the fun, the process is as rewarding as the outcome. Once built, simply find the perfect spot in your home or office and let your handcrafted masterpiece inspire and impress. So, if you're looking for a challenging yet incredibly satisfying project, a unique gift for a loved one, or simply a magnificent display piece that embodies speed and precision, our 1,690-piece green racing building block set is calling your name. It's an investment in hours of joyful creation and a lifetime of admiration. Don't miss out on the chance to build your own racing legacy. To learn more and get yours today, simply check out the link provided in the description below. If you enjoyed this peek into the world of creative building, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more exciting content, and let us know in the comments what you'd love to build next. Thanks for watching, and happy building!